Good morning, students. Here is a very short message with respect to a service called MMTS, Masterminds Test Series. It is not for the first time we are offering this service. We have been offering this revision exam services since from last 10 years. We have been offering these services for various levels of CA and CMA courses. Masterminds Test Series is nothing but a revision examination series for students of CA and CMA, and they can appear for the revision examinations by staying at their home itself. It's nothing but the online mode of revision examinations. If at all, if the students wants to attend the revision examinations physically, it is called the study hours and revision examinations batches. Shri batches. On the other hand, if the students wants to attend the revision examinations by staying at their home itself, then they can take Masterminds Test Series. For this purpose, students need not contact any of our staff members. Students can directly make the payment in Masterminds online classes app and then can purchase Masterminds Test Series. And Masterminds Test Series is available at CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final level, and also at CMA Foundation, CMA Inter and CMA Final level. For more details, you may please contact 9885125001 and 03. And by buying this Masterminds Test Series, you will be given the following services. You will be given the fixed schedule. You will be given the fixed schedule from day 1 to the last examination. I mean to say the pre-final examinations. The schedule will be given well in advance, and you will be sent the question paper every time. You will be sent the question paper 30 minutes before the examination, and soon after completion of the examination, you will be sent the suggested answers. And after completion of the examination, your paper will be valued, and the valuation report will be sent to the students. Customized valuation report will be sent to the student individually. So, customized valuation report will be sent to the student individually. Apart from that, you will be given access to doubts clarification group, which is designated for CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final students separately, and along with CA Foundation, CMA Inter and CMA Final students separately. So students of CA Foundation and CMA Foundation, we are maintaining a doubts clarification group, similarly for Inter, similarly for Final. And students can post their doubt in that group, and our team will address that issue, will handle that issue, will resolve that issue within a reasonable time. And this service is available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. So these are all the services that we are going to offer for Masterminds Test Series students. Apart from that, for CA Inter and CA Final students, we are going to give rapid revision batch videos on complimentary basis. You will be giving the rapid revision batch videos free of cost on complimentary basis. This is a limited time offer. So I'm making this video on September 21st, 2021. So in future, there could be some changes. So please do share this message to your friends. So right from CA Foundation to CA Final and from CMA Foundation to CMA Final, this service is available. And students, if they want to attend the study hours and revision examination batches physically, yes, they can do it. Offline batches are available at all our branches, including the central office, Guntur. Apart from that, at Guntur, we have hostel facility for boys and girls hostel at both for CA Inter and CA Final students. And we have girls hostel facility at Tirupati, Hyderabad, LB Nagar and Vijayawada for CA Inter, study hours and revision exams batch students also. God bless you. All the best. Bye.